mean, I'm hard pressed. Cucumbers may be the number one when it comes to, again, we're imagining you're growing, a number of plants. It's going to produce the most. Maybe there's one more on the list that's green in most cases that may come close to it. What do you think?
What do
The
you mean?
number one volume
I
producer.
was waiting
We're
for you to
waiting till
say
the
it.
end for that.
No, go ahead.
I think it's cucumbers.
Oh no, 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 no.
You don't think so?
No, I think it's
All right.
okra.
Well, I know if you don't think it's cucumbers, I know what you think it is then.
I think it's okra.
Interesting.
Yeah, I think okra once it gets going, I
Uh
think
huh.
that it's per plant. It is a high poundage plant, and it's an often plant. I mean, I know a guy here, and when we tried to do the movie, I have an interview. I still have it. I need to figure out a way to release it. But what he did is he just liked giving away his produce. He didn't like to eat it, or I mean, he liked to eat it, but it wasn't great. So he grew a row of okra and just gave it away, and he would get trash bags a week full of okra off of like 8 plants. But the thing is you got to have enough of a season to really get them going, because once the heat really ramps up and they start producing, I mean, you can't stop them. I mean, hell, last year I think it was in North Carolina, it was a world record okra plant. It's like 20 feet tall. They just keep going. I've pulled them out trees, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
out of my garden. It's insane. So I think it is the number one high poundage plant, especially if you go into space saving as well. If you put that in the mix, I absolutely do think that.
Now you're just pulling. What did that? What bag are you pulling that out of?
My
Space
little
saving.
my little
Where was
secret
that little
bag right here that I keep.
your Crown Royal bag?
Yeah.
Um, so- move around the coins that you've had in there for eons, buttons and
Dude, I was at
other
my
little
buddy's house the
trinkets.
other day, and he was like, "Hey, look in that purple bag down there." And I was like, "You mean the Crown Royal bag?" I'm like, "Damn, dude. Only thing I know that people keep in a Crown Royal bag is dope and money, and it was neither one. I was disappointed."
Um, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to sit with that for a minute, and only because I've had over years where it's like enough already. But then I've had years where okra just hasn't done well. And so to think about it being like the number one producer, I'm really hard pressed to think about that. When I've had years, no matter the taste, I've had like 5 gallon bag or 5 gallon bucket after 5 gallon bucket of cucumbers,
Yeah,
you know. So all right, I'm gonna sit with that for a while.
sit with
And
it.
that's not what I thought you would guess either.
Okay, what I think I know what you think, but go ahead, say it.
Green beans.
Yeah, you know, green beans. You know what? I'm not gonna. I think they are high poundage, but okay, I'll give it to you. It's one. It's one of the tops, but I don't think it's number one.
All right, because
I,
now we're all off track. So if it's
it's
not
okay.
that, then the last guess I have has to be squash, summer squash. For you, that would have been your next guess.
Um, if you plant it's interesting you brought that up, and I wanted to talk about it because
Hmm.
it's you know if you take out yellow summer squash, take that out of the mix,
Hmm.
and let's talk about like zucchinis and stuff like that. Even the white bush, which I got a white bush squash that was bigger than my head the other day. It's crazy.
Dude.
It's insane, dude. We have those seeds in our shop. You should definitely get some and grow them. The white bush
It's
scallop squash. It's like one of
yeah,
my favorite. It's
my
I'm not even
favorite.
growing. I'm not even growing desi squash next year.
Oh wow.
I'm replacing it with white bush squash now.
Interesting.
Yeah, isn't that
I
crazy?
feel like we should have come up with a matrix of sorts when it comes to these considerations because now that you've tossed, space in there for okra, I'm also thinking about space for squash because the white scallop squash for me always grows pretty vertical.
Yeah,
So it doesn't take up as much space as like an egg or a zucchini or something.
right.
But then I thought, a summer squash plant, you're fighting against pests in a lot of cases. Not I've never had a white scallop squash plant die from the old dirty bastard, not the rapper. Rest in peace. Um,
May he rest in peace.
yeah. Well, let's hope he's still resting in peace. Um, but every
Kiss
other
me, y'all.
squash, yeah, I have summer squash. So when you think about longevity, is what I'm trying to get to. So something that is going to produce the volume, right? So the poundage, and that's going to have a long season when it comes to growing, right? So once it gets hot, okra, like you were saying, right? Once peas may even need to come off of the list from a cool weather perspective just because of the shorter season. Cucumbers, I think generally speaking, you leave it on because it allows you to plant and replant. So there are opportunities where your initial planting may kind of die off or may be a little bit lackluster as far as production. Then you have your second planting. So there are a couple of different factors when it comes to the poundage that you're after. And a part of this conversation is how can you increase that poundage?
Yeah,
We
absolutely.
just talked about that a bit.
Well, I mean, if you go into the, back to the squash and really the zucchinis, which are considered squash, you can get pretty high poundage out of those. And, usually I try to pick them when they're about 8 inches long. And this year I've missed a bunch and I keep getting them when they're probably about 18 inches long. And they've actually not been that bad. And I mean, we're eating 4 meals off of one zucchini. It's been pretty crazy. So, I definitely think that's a high producer, high poundage. Another one, I thought you were going to mention Seminole pumpkin. I think,
Yeah, that okay, yeah, I scooched the wrong way.
yeah, that defeats the whole
uh,
purpose of sending you a private message.
Clearly, I thought I had it right. So the Seminole pumpkin. But you know what?
I still have
That is
10
like
pumpkins from last year I haven't eaten yet.
that's so much like a I think about it like a melon because of the way I've seen it grow in your garden.
Mm-hmm.
It it reminds me much more of like a pumpkin. Like it's more in that family than it is a squash, isn't it?
Well, yeah,
Or based on it being a winter squash. Wait, no, it's a summer squash, isn't it?
it's a
Oh, the
winter.
confusion.
Look, I said this on a YouTube video that I just recorded. I haven't released it yet. Um, I don't think it should be called winter squash. I think they should be called winter pumpkins. When you talk about butternut squash,
Yeah, yeah.
acorn squash, Seminole pumpkins, all that stuff.